Hi everyone, it's Thursday, December 31st, and here's what's making headlines. Stocks opened weak on this last trading day of 2009. With light volume, this big year is poised for a lackluster ending. Jobless claims unexpectedly dropped by 22,000 last week, falling to 432,000. Initial claims are now at their lowest level since July of last year. Continuing claims also edged lower, falling below the 5 million mark. Another top AIG executive called it quits yesterday over pay restrictions. Anastasia Kelly has been with the lender since 2008. Earlier this year, the government's pays are slashed salaries of the executives at the country's largest banks. The U.S. Treasury will grant GMAC Financial more money than previously expected. GMAC will get $3.8 billion on top of the $12.5 billion already received. This grants the government a majority stake in the company. And Time Warner and Fox News Corp's channel dispute will roll over into the new year. News Corp wants $1 per subscriber in return for permission to carry the channel. Shares of Time Warner are rising 0.2%. Let's see what all this means for the market. The Dow is dropping 7 points, or about 0.1%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq and S&P are moving in the opposite direction, each gaining about 0.1%. Taking a look at the commodities and currencies markets, crude oil and gold are both rising in early going. On the currency front, the U.S. dollar is falling against the euro and the yen. Heading overseas, Asian markets were higher on Thursday in thin trade ahead of the New Year holiday. Japan was closed while Hong Kong surged 375 points. The European markets are moderately higher in midday. Trading is light, but the UK is rising 0.3%. That's what's happening at the open for Thursday, December 31st. I'm Deborah Ruther. Be sure to stay logged on to rttnews.com for continuing updates throughout the day.